Hello guys. Um, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create that form we talked about in previous videos about how to ask a broker about a load info for brokers who do not post their phone numbers. So for example, we have a bunch of guys here, like for example, this is that. So I'll just grab this email, copy. I'm going to go to my form that I saved in my bookmarks right here. And I just enter what's his location. Basically, he's going from Illinois to Texas, so Bedford to Laredo. I can just go here and do Bedford to Laredo, and I'm not gonna put his email, put mine, just to show you guys how it works. What will he get? So I hit submit. Done. My job is done. I go on by my day. What does he get? These are my emails. Let's refresh. What is the refresh? There you go. Waiting. It's coming. It sometimes takes a little bit. There you go. That's the email. Hi there. I hope you're having a wonderful day. May I have the load information including times and rate for the load that you have posted from Bedford to Laredo? Please find my company info below. Like looks nice, beautiful, and looks like I actually took the time to write this email, which is basically just a template. Um, Now, we already made a video about this. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create this form so you can use it every day, without having to go through the trouble of typing emails like that, copying, wasting time. Uh, so we go to this website called Budo Form. So that's my account with Budo Forms. So I create a form. Create a form. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna copy the same exact form. I'm just gonna put it here. Uh, so this one is going to be the title, load info form request. That's for internal reviews. Nobody's going to see that except you guys or admins, or this is just for you to use. Um, so you don't have to do any of this stuff if you don't feel like it. So I'm just going to put text field here from, that is from, right? And we're going to add another text field to. Oh, that's a date. I don't need that. Text in here, to, type in two, and save, and email address. So here's the email. I'll put broker email, so to make it easier. Broker email. Save. You want to make it small, I can just go like this. I can just squeeze it in here. Where is it? I want it here. Okay. From to, and submit button. That's it. The form has been created. Now let's code it in the back. So we got the form. Now we're gonna go in the background and just design it, right? So I'm gonna make sure it does what it needs to do. Okay. Uh, so form settings, everything looks good. Message, you know, everything here looks good to me. If you want to change the way you want to see, if you want to save it to database or not, I don't want to save it. So limit number of submission. So this is just to say you don't have to do anything on the form settings. Confirmation, that's where your job is happening. So the confirmation measure conditional, you don't need that. Send the confirmation email, yes. So basically, we're sending that email to to the recipient, which is the broker. Now here you're gonna uh, call it form name. So I mean, the company, enter your name or company. Let's say ABC Trucking. Reply to. This is important. So when the broker replies to that email, it goes there. It's very important. So I'm just going to put my email here. Okay. Send to. Here you select broker email. Remember when the form? So basically, we are selecting the broker email from the form we created. Okay. So it tells them, hey, send this email to the input, the email that we put in there. Okay, now here you craft your email. Subject, load info, and here you see this. This is your data from whatever you put in there is going to be text number one. Text number two is this. So I'm just going to copy this. I don't think I can copy that. I'm just going to go brackets, couple of brackets. It's already here. Text one. No, I don't need that. Okay. A couple of brackets. Text score one. Close double brackets. From two. It's going to be text two, right? So double bracket. Text underscore two. Close double bracket. So now he gets that message like that. I don't need this. I can just remove this stuff. Okay, because I'm going to write my own email. So I have an email here written. You can write anything you want. You can go crazy with this email. Be creative. Show him that you actually took the time to do this, to actually write that email, even though it doesn't take you 1 second to do this. So if you have a wonderful day, blah, 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 please find my company below, ABC Trucking. You can also create a signature on those websites, like the one I created. You can create a signature and let me see, and put it in there. There's free websites where you can create signatures. You know, ABC Trucking. I did one myself. And put your phone number and any information, your MC, blah blah blah, whatever you like. Okay. So you can design it. There's tools for you to design stuff here, make it look nice, good. Okay. And then you save. Let me just remove this. Keep it professional. Save. Okay, it's been saved. That's my form. What else do I need to set? Let me see. Did I forget anything in the settings? No, that's it. Everything looks good to me. Let's test this form now. So I'm going to go to my forms and action, share the form. Okay. And share from link. And this is my form. Let's go to it. Okay, let's do again. New York to Los Angeles. Okay. Broker email. I'm doing myself as well. And let's see if I get this email or not. How will I get it? Okay. So the form worked. It went through. Let me see. There you go. ABC Trucking. Load info. New York to Los Angeles. Hi there. I hope you have a wonderful day. May I have the load information including times and rate for the load that you have posted from New York to Los Angeles. Please find my company info below. Blah, blah, blah. And that's how we do it. Super easy stuff. Oh, so this website, Budo form is super cheap. It's like a dollar a month. So for a year, you can pay $10 a year. You can have this for whole year. It's very efficient way, to invest in your time, so you don't waste your time like that. Because when you're a dispatcher, you do this thing multiple times a day. Okay. The other thing is how to send a carrier packet too. So I can put my email here, the broker's email, and with one click, I can send my carrier packet. So watch this. I sent it here. Let's see the broker's email. Let's look what I got. I got the carrier packet here. boom, with nothing. We just, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. Um, Next video, please subscribe. Stay with me. Next video is gonna be about how to send a carrier packet. And think how much time you're gonna be saving by having this on your bookmarks right here. Do not put it in your book without bookmarks, because it's gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, guys. Well, enjoy your day. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.